What are those? Yo, guys. Like my shirt? Like my shirt? Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys, what's up? Let's go outside. While I talk, I'm gonna go ahead and just grab my grapes. Grab this bag right here. Grab my grapes. Let's go. Now, some of you guys might be like, what the hell's going on? Why am I looking at his foot? And why did he just pick up some grapes? That's because today, we're gonna do something to the car. All right, so let's go. All right, so here's the car. Yo, the car looks so menacing with the black grills. But what I wanted to do to this car today, we're gonna talk about it. So let's just go around. So for some reason I forgot, I've done the grill. I've changed my light bulbs, they're blue. Let me show you this side of the car. Loud ass trash man. All right. So what we're doing to the car today, let me just open this door and I'll show you. We're getting tints done to the car. Like you could, like, do you see this? Do you see this? I have no tints in the car. All right, so we're getting tints done. Don't mind the car because it's a little dirty. All right, not sure if I showed you guys, but I got car seats in the car because the seats are black, and you know, I go to the gym, I sweat, and I would come and just sit my dirty butt or my back sweat on the car, and the seats would get stained a little bit by, like, you know, sweat. So I bought these car seats. They were like $40. It was just two, you know, the front driver seats. I mean, they look cool, right? It matches the black and the brown trim that's going on inside of the car and shit. So it looked nice. This is my sun cover thing for the car. I already took it off, so that's why, you know, it's not on there. That's my grapes. This is my headphones. And this little cute thing, I was with my girlfriend and she, I don't know, we went to McDonald's and she had the kids meal, and you know, and it's just been in the car ever since. I don't know. It's my phone charger. All right, oh, let's look at the back. So with tints, we're also doing this. Getting my subwoofers installed in the car. So it's gonna look weird, but I'm trying to, so right now it's not installed, as you can tell, and it's a little dusty. So it's not installed. I'm not sure how they're gonna do it, but we'll see. But I'll see if they could like put it in the middle, maybe in the middle, like right here. It'll look good, all right? Yeah, because that's how it has to go. And if they could just either put the amp on top of it, like this, or on the side of it, it wouldn't matter to me. But like I said, I'm not sure how they're gonna do it. But my goals today is to get the tints done and the subwoofer done. Those are the two things that I'm gonna get done today. And we'll talk more about it as we're driving over there, all right? So, because time is running and I gotta go. All right, guys. See you guys real soon. So as I'm driving over there, we're like 10 minutes away from ooh, Corvette, bye. So we're like 10 minutes away from the place, and not that far. So I just wanted to just talk to you guys just for a little bit. So you know how a lot of people, certain people don't like you, recording them while they work, because the last time when I went over there to get the quote, I actually asked the guy, I was like, hey, I'm, little YouTuber channel, just trying to, be somebody. And I was like, is it possible for me to record you doing the tints and the subwoofer, And of course, dude said no, because he doesn't, he doesn't want, I guess, how he does his work to get out there. Look at that, dangerous. I'm driving with my feet, it's dangerous. He doesn't want how he drives to get out there, so he just said no, basically, just no. And then I understand, like, I'm not gonna pressure the man, but like, hey man, let me fucking record. Because there's some YouTubers, like, they understand that too as well. Like, when you're going somewhere to get work done to your car, a lot of times if it's like a mechanic, they'll say yes. If it's like a store to like do certain stuff to your car, they'll say no. So it really depends on that store, you know what I'm saying? So guy said no, which is cool. So there won't be a video about, there won't be scenes or, shots of the tints being done or the subwoofer being installed. So let's talk about time frame. The time frame that he gave me, he was like, the tints is gonna take 2 hours, because my car right now has no tints at all, like no factory, no nothing. So there's no tints to like take off. So all they have to do is just pre-cut whatever tints they have and then just add it on the car. Yeah, mine's going 80. So that's it. The tints that I went with is I went with 15%, because like that, it's a little darker, it's not that bad. And then when the sun's out, you could sort of kind of see in my car, not really, but And then the last thing, the subwoofer, is that my turn? Is this my turn? Is this my turn, guys? Is that my turn? I have no idea. I don't know. Is this my turn? I might be lost. Oh yeah, this is my turn. Yeah. The subwoofer is gonna take 2 hours also. So I'm just like, okay. So 2 hours for the tint and 2 hours for the subwoofer to be installed. That's a total of 4 hours. I'm like, okay, that's fine, it's no problem. I know I hit the red light, so it's no problem at all. Just a couple hours, and then so that's why I was like, dang, it's gonna be rough, because my sister was supposed to pick me up, but I have to wait there the whole 4 hours now, which is fine. That's why I brought my stuff in here in the bag, and I'm drinking this to keep me awake, and I already ate my grapes, so we're good. We're almost there. Once I get there, I'll update you guys again, like in 2 hours. All right, so right now it's what? It's 9:38, so I'll update you guys soon. Peace.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, so I'm here. There's the car. I just gave the guys the keys. Like, you see how you could like see through that shit? I fucking hate it. So I just gave the guys the key. He's gonna go ahead and put it to the bag, work on the subwoofer first, I think he said, and then the tints, or vice versa. He told me to come back in the afternoon, which is the 4 hours, which is like 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, when the car should be done. Yeah, now I'm stuck here. I'm probably gonna take like an Uber or a Lyft home, but we'll see, because the issue's gonna be coming back, but we'll see.
The next morning.
Guys, what is going on? Welcome back. So it's literally a whole nother day. It's a whole nother day than yesterday, because basically I got my tints done, then I had to go straight to work after I picked up the car. But the tints and the subwoofer are done, it's installed. Yo, can't see inside my car. All right, so I'm walking to the car now. Let's go ahead and let's check it out. Let's see. All right, so here it is. Yo, the front of this car looks mean. If I put like a diffuser, like a lip on there, it's gonna look mean, yo. Let me put these right here. All right, so there's the tint. Look at that. You could sort of, I mean, you could sort of kind of see in the car, but at nighttime, you can't even see in the car. So what I got was 15% all the way around. And the reason for that is, I mean, I could have got 10 or 5, but I was like, nah, I just want 15. So I got 15 all the way around. You can still kind of see inside of it. Like if you come close, you can see that. But it's not as bad as it used to be. And I also got the subwoofer installed. So he mounted it up to the back of my chair right here. He ran the wires right here. And he ran the wires like to the back right here. Right, I already set everything up so it sounds good. It's attached right here. So I just said I was gonna keep it in the middle of the car, just because. All right, let's go ahead and let's check out how it sounds. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't connect to my Bluetooth right away, because if it do, then it's gonna mess up. But let's see. Let's see. Let's hope it doesn't connect to the Bluetooth.
I would 100% go with Spectrum.
Even the competition recommends Spectrum Business. Call 855-339-5344 and switch to Spectrum Business today. Competitor
Can you play a song? You hear it?
I was mighty low, walking on this surface like Geronimo, felt beside me though, beside me. Nowadays all like my shot, my Kelly's reaching, I'm so strong. Time again, I was reaching for change. Pressure made me nervous, you shot me that case. I put the family first at the end of the day.
Hold on, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Wait for it. I can't, I mean, I would like to connect my phone, but I can't. Just gotta wipe it. Guys, so I'm really happy with it. The car came out great. The tints came out really good. I could see outside. The sound system came out very well. So what they did, for some of you guys that don't know, they tapped into the speaker wires that's right here, because right here it's kind of lifted. I'm gonna show you guys. You see the wire? They passed it through here, so here it's kind of lifted a little bit, you know, because that's where they had to go and install the speaker wire. And then, oh, let me show you guys. Gotta show you guys everything, man, you know, how they installed it. I mean, it really sucks that I couldn't show you guys, because, I mean, we'll talk about that afterwards. We'll talk about that afterwards. There you go. Installed. My little 2.4 liter. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna close off this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned. Watch the end of this video. All right.